Hi and welcome to Product Heaven. Are you tired of job scams and fake work from home offers? Let me show you something real. A remote job that pays up to $30 an hour, just for replying to DMs and chats on social media. Yep, no phone calls, no sales, just chatting. Companies today are hiring chat assistants to help with customer service, answering simple questions, responding to comments, and guiding customers through basic info. All you need is a smartphone or laptop, internet access, and basic typing skills. There's no experience needed, and full training is provided when you apply. This job is perfect if you want flexible hours, remote income from anywhere, a stress-free way to make money online. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or just looking for a side hustle, this could be your game changer. Ready to get started? Click the link in the description to apply now. It only takes a few minutes to sign up. This is a legit opportunity with limited positions, so if you're serious about working online, don't wait. Start earning from home by chatting today. Social media platforms, like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. The best part? You don't need any experience, and you can work from your phone or laptop on your own schedule. Click the link in the description to apply now, and start getting paid to chat today. This is a legit opportunity, so don't wait too long. Spots are limited.